Hey Wonder Friends, today I'm going to teach you how to draw the character from my first book I wrote.
Here we go! Wonder Friends, Wonder Friends, Wonder Friends. Time for Wonder Friends Show! Yeah, alright!
Fun fact, the first book I wrote was Kiwi Cannot Reach. I had wanted to write a book for such a long time and then I finally tried. It wasn't the first book I had published, but it was the first book I wrote. I wrote about a kiwi bird because I think they're such unique animals. Kiwis cannot fly. Their feathers are like hairs, and they have these really unique beaks that can sense things moving underground. And they are nocturnal, which means that they sleep during the day and they're up all night. Plus, they are really cute. I'm really excited to show you how to draw the kiwi. And all you need to draw them is a piece of paper, something to draw with, and a willingness to try. If you need to pause the video to go get a kiwi fruit to eat while you draw, I get it. They're super tasty. I'll wait right here. But if not, let's start drawing. Okay guys, I am so excited to show you how to draw kiwi. The first thing we need to do is we need to wake up our brains, and we do this on Wonder Friends. It's called a mindful moment, and it's super easy. What I need you to do is sit up big and tall, wiggle your toes, be here now, take a deep breath, and you can say this out loud or to yourself. I am me. I matter. I try my best. I am super fantastic. You are super fantastic, and that was really awesome. Do you guys ever feel silly doing that? I don't. Makes me feel kind of cool. Makes me feel kind of fun to do that. Now, I draw with these big fat Sharpies because I like the way that they look. I draw kiwi on the computer. Why do I tell you that? Because on the computer, I can make it look exactly perfect the way I want. With a marker, it's a lot harder. I don't want you to get worried about your drawing not looking just like mine, because my drawing is not going to look just like this one. But I am going to show you how to draw kiwi in a very simple way. And you're going to start with your page up and down, and we're going to draw one circle just like that. Now you're going to draw another circle, but we're not going to draw the whole thing. We're going to connect these two, so it's just one right beside the other. And where we got this point, see where they met right there? We're just going to draw a line out from there, just to make it a big old line, because kiwis have big beaks. And we're going to curve it up just like that. And we are going to draw another line just like that, and just connect it right there. Now we're going to draw it kind of like a candy cane shape, just like so. Just kind of come out just like that, and it just stops. And down here, we're just going to make a big loop around and connect those two just like that. And we're going to put 3 little like feathery hairs on the end, and we're going to put 2 on top of Kiwi's head. All right, now Kiwi has these 2 eyeballs there and some eyebrows. Those are just little circles. You can make them up and down. You could do them different ways if you want. And he has like 3 little feather hairs right there as well on his chest. Okay, now it's really simple. It's just a straight line down on each one of these. And then it's a V on its side with a line in the back. It's a V on its side with a line in the back, just like that. And that's pretty much the kiwi bird. It's very simple to draw. This is how we draw him. He doesn't have wings, right? So we can draw him just like that. And we're going to color him. And you can clean up any lines that you want, stuff like that. Now, guys, as you can see, my drawing does not look the same as what's in the book. Does that mean I didn't draw the ones in the book? No, it just means that I'm drawing with a marker now, and it's just different, and that's completely fine. All right, guys, what I'm going to do is I have some markers, the colors that I picked out before I got started. If you want to draw color your character in with some crayons or colored pencils or whatever you would want, you can feel free to do that. If you want to add more details to your kiwi, you can always pause the video here and pick up coloring it in a second. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to speed up the coloring right now, so that way you don't have to sit and watch me color. So we're going to speed it up for you right now. Okay, guys. Well, I don't know about you, but I think when there's only, you know, what, 2 colors to a character, you can draw it really fast, or color it really fast. So we can add any details that you want in here, guys. And again, I just want to just make sure that you guys understand that it's going to look different than mine. Fine. I can add little details in here that makes it, you know, that cleans it up and all that good stuff like that if I would like. If you want to do the same thing, you can do all those things like that. It is totally up to you. You can add like little lines in here, shadows, things like that. Have some fun with it, guys. Make Kiwi yours. If you want to put a fun little suit on him or anything like that, you could do all those things. This is the basic part. So if you want to redraw it, you know how to do it. You can rewind the video and you can start adding some characters, designs to it, you know, give him some shirts and give him, if you want to give him wings, you can do all those things. But this is the basic of how drawing this one, which was the first book I ever wrote. And it was a lot of fun to make this bird. And I hope that you had a lot of fun drawing it. So make sure the last thing you do is you sign your name to this, so everybody knows who made this awesome piece of art. I hope you had a blast drawing Kiwi with me, because I sure did drawing with you. Okay, Wonder Friends, I hope something magical happens for you today. Something so amazing that it stops you right in your tracks and reminds you how amazing life could be. Be on the lookout. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!
Hey Wonder Friends, I would love to see the art you create and feature it on one of my videos. With the help of an adult, take a photo of your finished art and post it on Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. Don't forget to tag me so I can find it. Hey, are you looking for a signed copy of one of my books? Check out my website, wondervillestudios.com, for books, t-shirts, mugs, and more. I also do loads of school visits and would love to hear from you about scheduling a visit. Be sure to subscribe to my channel and check out all the other fun drawing lessons. Until I see you, be the weird you want to see in the world. See ya!